Many home improvement projects involve concrete, and knowing the right mix can make all the difference in your project's success. And a simple and effective concrete mixing ratio will be between 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 3, and 3. And that's basically 1 part cement, which is the glue that holds the concrete together. The next part will be between 2 and 3 parts of sand. Sand helps fill the gaps and adds to the concrete's strength. The next part of the ratio is 3 parts of gravel. Gravel provides bulk and helps to prevent cracking. And I personally like to use 3/4 inch gravel or larger for my concrete mixes. And the projects I would use this mixture for would probably be for a shed foundation, sidewalks, and patios, but it can be used for a variety of other projects. Now, what I like about this ratio is that it usually creates a balance between strength and workability. It's strong enough to support most smaller structures and easy enough to work with, making it the perfect mix for most do-it-yourselfers. And of course, I would like to say that accuracy is going to be key, but I've mixed plenty of concrete that has worked just fine with just a simple shovel representing each individual unit in the ratio. So that would be 1 shovelful of cement, between 2 and 3 shovelfuls of sand, and 3 shovels filled with gravel. And I've heard a lot of people suggest that you need to mix the ingredients dry first and then add the water. However, I've never done that either. And the reason why I don't do it is because dry cement, while mixing it with the other ingredients, seems to jump out of my wheelbarrow or cement mixer. So I'd rather have it wet. Another tip would be to try and avoid using too much water. And I'm not going to bother to provide you with the amount of water to use here because it's difficult for me to provide you with the amount of water per ratios that I've provided you with. Most concrete mixing formulas have the amount of water to use associated with an individual bag of cement. Now, this will produce about a 2,500 psi concrete mix and should hold up quite well for foot traffic and most weather conditions. However, it's important to note that while this mix is durable, it may not be ideal for heavy-duty applications like a driveway or a foundation for a larger building, where a higher PSI mixture will be recommended. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.